Hey everyone, my name is Nick and in this video I will show you how to delete your InDating account. So it's really easy. First of all, let's open it up. Just click on InDating, and after that at the top left you can find the three lines button. So just click on it and then you'll see this menu. So here you need to go to your profile. You can find it right here. Just click on it. Finally, we are on the necessary tab. So just scroll down to the very bottom, and here you'll find two buttons: remove profile and logout. Of course, to delete your account you need to click on the first button. Let's click on it. Confirmation: your profile will be deleted from the application, but you can restore it at any time. Are you sure you want to delete your profile? Cancel or click on remove. Profile is removed. Your profile has been removed from the application, but you can restore it. So you can restore profile or log out. Just click on log out. Do you really want to log out? Yes. And finally, that's all. Hope this video was really helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the How to PC channel. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.